So I just got the another set of speakers from O-tus Safe Sounds. I'm going to install it on my Rudy Project helmet. So first thing is you measure where you want the speakers to be. I want them to be right there. So then, because this is foam, they recommend taking off a little bit of it just to provide a clean surface to mount the speakers on. Just because this snap-lock stuff, it does a really good job, but it sticks a lot better if it's clean. So shave off a little bit of that. And then I actually know pretty exactly where I want mine. So I'm going to install a half square just because I know where it should be. So we'll install one right there. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Try not to cut myself. A bad tendency to do that with this knife. Looks about right. Install the other side. Go ahead and stick the speakers on. So 1 and 2. And the cords on the outside of the buckle. And then out the back of the helmet. Which is great because it keeps it out of the way. Confirm that it fits properly, or where I want them to be. Yep, pretty good. Grab my iPod. Here's the iPod. Figure out what's going to be the best place to install it. Don't want to cover up that. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. And since it's so little, I can use a nice little piece of it. Just do a lock. And I'll install it just like that. This matching piece. There.